Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by clearing a flat area and removing bedding so the net lies flat. Once done, locate the top ring or hook and support it with one hand while you work. Make the first collapse by bringing two opposite sides together slowly. This prevents stretching and tangles. You do this now because initial alignment determines the rest. As you fold, keep the mesh taut with your free hand to spot snags and ensure seams stay aligned for an even next step. Once the initial sides meet, fold the frame inward in thirds or halves depending on the design so the hoops nest together. This reduces diameter and avoids warping. Make sure seams align and corners tuck into each other to prevent sharp bends. As you press the layers together, smooth any air pockets and excess mesh with open palms so nothing bunches. Do this slowly. Forcing the frame risks breaking the hoop. When the hoops sit nested, the net is ready for rolling or final compression. You finish by rolling the nested net from the top down, maintaining even tension so the mesh layers stay flat. Once rolled, secure the bundle with a strap, elastic band, or dedicated fabric tie. Make sure the closure avoids sharp pressure points. Place the bundle into its pouch or breathable bag and store in a cool, dry spot away from sunlight. If things go wrong, like tangled hoops, stop, loosen the roll, separate the layers, and refold slowly to avoid tearing. Repair small rips before storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.